Oh, nearly smacked my head. How you doing, guys? Hope you're well. I've been craving wings. I've been craving wings, just simple wings, blue cheese dip, carrots, celery, you know how it goes, wings. But I didn't want to faff about with bones. I didn't want to mess about with bones, but I wanted the chicken. So I'm like thinking, let's do a burger. Let's do a chicken burger with buffalo hot sauce and a blue cheese slaw. And that itself just beautiful, it really is. And yeah, something really simple. A simple burger. Doesn't have to be complicated. It can be absolutely delicious, and I'm looking forward to showing it to you. So let's crack on. First, let's make the slaw. Thinly sliced green cabbage and red cabbage. Then add to a bowl. Next, dice onion. Shallots are also good in this. Again, add to a bowl. I chose Greek yogurt for the slaw. I just think mayo's a little too rich, especially with the blue cheese. More healthy and lighter. Add lemon juice and apple cider vinegar. Now's a good time to adjust the lemon and vinegar to your taste. The star of the show for my slaw is some delicious Danish blue cheese. It's salty and rich and packs a punch. With your hands, crumble it in the slaw and mix well. I don't think you will need any salt because the cheese is quite salty anyway. For my burgers, I'll be using ground chicken. And I'm sure you've heard about adding mayonnaise to ground chicken to make it more moist and tender. You don't need to do that, it's not necessary. I'm going to show you a little technique, a very simple technique where there's no need for that. First, dice onion. Red onion will also work with this. Add to the bowl, followed by diced garlic. Egg. And parsley. Parsley just works for chicken burgers, it just adds a freshness. I'm not a fan of store-bought breadcrumbs, so I just blitz my own. Then add to the bowl, followed by salt and pepper. I'm using a spoon to mix. Why? Because I just felt like it, but you do you. Next, make the patties. It's normal for the chicken to be a little sticky compared to beef. Add olive oil to a pan. And of course you can use a grill, but if you can't be bothered to get it all set up and everything, just use a pan like I did. Still delicious. Add the patties and cook. I cook my burgers 5 to 6 minutes on each side, but it depends how thick you do yours, but I did mine 5 to 6 minutes. Internal temperature, cook till about 160. In fact, cook until 160. Now this is what I'm talking about, the technique where your burgers will become nice and juicy. Cook until 160, take them out, let them rest 3 to 5 minutes, and that temperature will rise to 165. And that's how you get a juicy chicken burger. Simple. Now brush the patties with your favourite hot sauce. Mine's Frank's. Cooking chicken burgers, it's all about heat control. You can't mess about with it. You can't faff about with it. You got to focus. You know, beef is a little bit more forgiving. You can get away with that, but with chicken, you can't mess about with it. You got to focus. It's all about heat control. So if you have it on too high and it's burnt on the outside and it's raw in the middle, nah. Turn the patties over and brush the other side. When cooked, take out and let rest for about 3 to 5 minutes. Lastly, add olive oil to a pan and toast the bread. You can use any bread you like. I'm using onion bread. And that's it. Now let's put these burgers together. So yeah, that for me, that was bang on. That was what I was craving. Hit the spot, you know. When you're craving something and you just eat it and you think, oh man, that hit the spot. That hit the spot. I just didn't want to faff about with the bones. I wanted that wing vibe, but without the bones. So I got a chicken vibe, hot sauce, the chicken, the blue cheese. That's what I wanted, and I got it. Simple ingredients, simple burger. Doesn't have to be complicated, done well. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Give this video a like, share, do your thing, and I will be back next week for another recipe. Thanks, guys. I don't know why I'm waving that camera.